If you forgot your current Instagram password, you don't need to panic, because there is a trick that I will teach you to see your Instagram password using your cell phone. Okay, to see your Instagram password, first, open your Google application. The second step, click on your profile photo in the upper right corner. Then, click on Manage your Google account. Make sure you use the Google account associated with your Instagram account. Next, click on the Security button. In the Security options, scroll down and open the Password Manager. Type Instagram in the search field. Okay, to see your Instagram password, click on the eye icon. I emphasize to you, this tutorial can only work if your Instagram is logged in on your cell phone. But, if your Instagram doesn't log in on your cell phone, you can reset your password by following the tutorial that I explained in the previous video. You can find the video link in this video description.